चवथीच्या फाटभुंयेर अन्न आनी वखदां प्रशासन परत एक फावट सक्रिय जाल्या। सेगीत दुसऱ्या दिसाक म्हापशेच्या आंतरराज्य बस स्टँडाचेर धाड घालून लेबलां नाशिल्लीं मसाल्यांची पाकिटां, फरसाण, बिस्किटी तशेंच मिलावटीचे बोकडेचें दूद जप्त केलां। 2 म्हयन्यां आदीं अशा कारवायांक एफडीएन सुरवात केल्ली। मजगतीं आतां म्हापशे बस स्टँडाचेर अशा पद्दतीन कारवायो सुरूच आसतल्यो असो इशारो ह्या वेळार एफडीएच्या अधिकाऱ्यान दिला।
जसे आम्ही फाटल्या 2 म्हयन्यांसान हे चालू केल्ले आसा वेर वी आर चेकिंग दीज इंटरस्टेट बसेस एंड द फूड आयटम कमिंग थ्रू द इंटरस्टेट बसेस एंड टुडे इज आवर 8th visit here and over these 8 visits we have seen that lot of the stocks that were coming earlier have stopped. Nevertheless few items अजुनी जे without label येता तशें आमकां मेवल्ले आसा. We have found some goat milk also today that has been imported into Goa for some cheese making which has come without labels. So we have taken custody of these stocks and we will carry out further investigation. In this process we have also started educating the suppliers from other states. And खूब awareness चालू जाल्लो आसा, but few non-compliances we are still seeing and this will continue in the next few months to ensure that जे ह्या चॅनलान येता ते 100% compliant आसपाक जाय. We will ensure that it is compliant. Main reason म्हणजे अशें पयलीं it used to come through the road like through other suppliers, but now the business people, they prefer this channel because it may be economical to them. That is fine even if it is economical, but our main concern is that it has to comply to our hygiene and safety norms. So that is why we are impressing upon these checks, and only through these checks we have seen now that people have started complying, so it is a positive thing for us. Is mainly हांगा मसालो आसा विदाउट लेबल आयिल्लो आसा, गोट मिल्क आसा विदाउट लेबल जे आयिल्ले आसा ते, आनी फरसाण आयटम्स आनी सम बिस्किट्स आर देर विदाउट लेबल. सो दिस इज वॉट वी हैव गॉट for today's under today's checks. Difficult to say now, but it will be around at least around close to a lakh, at least 80,000 to a lakh. So we have not yet done the paperwork, but basically it looks like it should be around that.